Hey, what's up YouTube? Hey, doing a big job out here in Redlands. See that orange mark over there? I'm gonna take from there all the way to where the bobcat is and some underneath that patio over there and that pool, and then I'm gonna put back dig a new swimming pool and put it back. Anyways, I'll let you, I got some on the way, and I'll get you guys some more videos soon. Alright, thank you. Yo, 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 look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I got a mess everywhere. Wow. Anyways. I'm gonna take out that pool in a little bit. So, alright, later. Yo, yo. Up next, that pool's coming out. Once I get rid of all this debris, that pool's gonna get chipped down next. Probably on Monday. Alright, later. Yo, yo.
Okay, go. That guy will get that knot out, and okay, tomorrow we pick it up.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, we're done. Yeah, it's gone. I'm gonna scoop it up and continue on with my life. Well, no, not really. I'm gonna dig another pool here soon once I fill this up. Some dirt. That's it. See all that rubble? Everything else is cleared out. I'm gonna fill it up and make a pool. You'll see that here quickly. Scooping out that rubble. Straight up rubble. It looks like rocks, but it's not. Anyways, hey, you see my shadow? Peace. Wow, can you believe it? Look at that. Gone. All the way out. I'm gonna backfill it and dig a new one here shortly. All that pile is gone. That dirt over there was in the back of the pool. I don't remember if it was raised a little bit. We're gonna put it in and put that pile of dirt in, compact it, and then probably we need more dirt, but I'll do that in a little bit. Alright, later. Getting soils compaction out here in Redlands.
According to D.
According to me, dang. Alright, we're gonna dig a pool next. somewhere in the middle right here. I don't know where, but it's gonna get dug and put a big hole in the earth. Anyways, I'll get some pictures of that later. And there you have it. There's Siri. There's James. There you have it. We took out the old pool. We filled it in, compacted. Man, we did a bunch of stuff. And now we're digging the new one. I don't know. I can't even remember what it looks like right now. I don't even want to remember. All I know is I'll be out of here tomorrow. Look at that dirt. How beautiful it is. I'm gonna leave some around for the digging because the pool's actually a little bit too high, but it's okay. But either way, it's one of my favorite jobs I've done in a while, and it's almost over. You see, we're digging, and we'll get it done quick. I think by tomorrow afternoon, maybe Wednesday first thing in the morning, just depending on how it goes. All right, later. Yo, what's up? What's good? So check out, we're finally done digging. I'm done with this job. We've turned a round pool into a square pool, and that's how you do it, basically. No ands, ifs, or buts. Get it done. Anyways, this is what we got here. A Baja ledge, a bench over there, your spot raised, and your deep. I don't know if you can see the colors right there, light brown, and then over here, that's where the old pool was. All that dark brown area. As you see, I filled it in, I compacted, no cave-ins, no nothing. 3.5 to 6, and we're done. I'm gonna load this up as quickly as I can. I got a bunch I want to load up as quickly as I can, but you know, time is of the essence. Sometimes I don't have enough of it. Anyways, this is your boy signing out. Holla at me. What up, YouTube? Hey, check out this video I got for you. Make sure you follow us all right here. Add me on Snapchat. Newest thing I got. And as usual, we appreciate the love and support. Thank you. Holla at me.